Everybody, D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I wanted to make this video for you guys on how you can make an extra $1,000 a week, literally just posting on Facebook. So you can do this with the Cash App methods I've been telling you about with the PDF method, the website building method. You can do this with BitCino. I'm up $300 on that today. Gotta love BitCino. You can do this with CPA marketing. It also depends on what CPA offer you're running. If you're running this with a time-wasting offer, I wouldn't recommend it because you're just going to get a lot of backlash, so it's not worth it. You can do this with affiliate marketing products. You could do this with your own little business. You can do this with literally anything. All you need is a service or product, and a clean Facebook profile for this to work. Now, let's just jump right into this. And you guys know me, I'm all about practicing what I preach. Like, I've been doing this same exact method for years. Like, I actually made a video about this probably like a year or two ago, going over this, and it still works to this very day. So you guys see this post right here, for example. I was posting how I took this account from basically $0 to $1,400 in a single day in 2 to 3 weeks, right? Now, a lot of people want to know that, like, damn, how the hell did you do that? And then I also showed them, said in this post here, I took $300 and turned that into over $50,000 in gross sales. Let me know if you want the free training. So what I like to do is I'll make a YouTube video. All right, so they'll go from the Facebook profile to the YouTube video. And I'll just give them a lot of good, powerful information. And then somewhere in the video or just in the description, I'll drop that, hey, I got a course for $497. Right? And then that's it. Like, literally every single time someone buys that course, I get $497 over and over and over again. And it's 100% guaranteed. So it's not like I have to like convince people to buy anything. I don't have to convince them to get the course. I don't have to do any of that because I actually make money from what I teach. Whether they buy a course or not, I'm still going to make money. The course only benefits them. I'm showing you what I'm buying. I'm showing you where I get it from. I'm showing you how to ship everything in. I'm showing you literally everything from start to finish. And in 2 to 3 weeks, you will see results, right? And then I'm normally make some type of comparison to like college or something like that. Like, or you can go to college and spend $50K, not see results for 4 years, and not be guaranteed any income or a job. Like, which one would you rather choose? Pay $500, see results in 2 to 3 weeks. Pay $50K, see results in 4 years. What thought? Maybe see results in 4 years. There you go, right? So once you lay it out like that, it's like it kind of like there's really no way that someone can be like, oh man, I'm gonna go to college instead. Like, what? Well, obviously it depends on what you're going for. But if you're going solely just to make money, it makes no sense to go to college, in my opinion. But anyway, back to the topic at hand here. So from this Facebook post, they could also go to my website directly, right? And again, I can still get that $497 sale. Or they could go, like, once they watch my YouTube video, YouTube is going to do me a solid, right? They're going to follow up with them and say, hey, D'Angelo just made a video on this right here. Or we seen that you watched D'Angelo's video on this Amazon stuff here. Check out how he made $1,800, buying products from the Walmart clearance section, right? Then they'll go watch that video. Then they'll watch another video, right? Then they'll watch another video. Then they'll watch another video, right? Then maybe they'll subscribe and then they'll see another video and then they'll still go back and buy that $497 course. Or they can go get the $100 course from Team D'Angelo, or the level 2 for $497. Or they might be one of those high ballers or whatnot and end up getting my course for Google Trends that costs $5K, right? Like, you guys see the point here. They could become a member on Easy Pages. They could sign up underneath me under Robinhood or Rebull, whatever. You guys get the point. I'm going to literally make thousands of dollars just posting over here on Facebook. And this is what I've been doing for years. Literally, I make tens of thousands of dollars every year just posting on Facebook. Now, once I make this video right here, I'm going to go on Facebook. Once this video is uploaded to YouTube, I'm going to go on Facebook and say, hey, I just made a video on how I make thousands of dollars per year just posting on Facebook. And then what are they going to do? They're going to, oh, can I get some info? Let's send me some info. I need that video, right? Then the whole process is going to start all over again. It's just that simple. Like, literally, that is it. Now, the thing is, obviously, you need something to promote. Now, if you don't have anything to promote, like I said, there's a ton of stuff you can do here on the YouTube channel. You can go do the website building method. Oh, before I go any further, a huge thing that plays into this is your friends list. So if you are doing this, you know, I mean, you should attempt to do this with your Facebook friends from like high school and stuff. This will not work for you in this niche. If you're doing the make money online niche, it will not work with high school friends, college buddies, like anybody with a broke mindset. This is not gonna broke minded friends list. This will not work for you. You have to go and create an entirely brand new account, or you have to start pushing the broke-minded people off your friends list. So let's say I go and I say something, I make a post like, you'll see people out here with $1,000 outfit on at the bus stop, laughing emoji, right? The only people who will get upset about that are people who do stupid shit like that. And then those are the people that I'm not looking for. So I'll push them away off my friends list, right? Or if I say something like, oh, it's crazy, people will rather have a $500 Gucci wallet with $0 in it than a $5 wallet with $495 in it. Again, the only people who are going to disagree with that are people that I don't need to do business with. I'll sell those type of people shit all day long, but I will never do business with those type of people because they aren't capable of doing business because they make stupid ass financial decisions, right? So those are the people I want to stay away from. I don't want to do business with those people because, again, it's just going to end badly for me. They're either going to call me a scammer, they're going to ask for a refund, and it's just going to be a whole mess. So I don't want to do business with those type of people at all. So you're like, D'Angelo, where the hell do I get people at? Where do I get people at for my particular niche then? All you have to do is open up your brand new Facebook, or you can use your old one or whatever. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Facebook groups, and then you're going to go to ones that basically are in whatever, that are similar to whatever you're promoting. So let's say, for example, we were doing CPA marketing. I would go add a bunch of groups in CPA marketing and in the affiliate marketing niche, right? Because those pretty much go hand in hand. Now, if I was doing Bitcino, for example, I wouldn't go to the affiliate marketing or the CPA marketing because those are a bit different. I would go to instead to TextBot AI. I would go to that Lionshare. I would go to Forex or anything along those type of things. Things like smart contracts, stuff like anything like that. Those are the people I would go for if I'm doing profile for Bitcino, right? And then that's it. You just want to add people who are like-minded to like-minded individuals to your friends list, and then every single day you just go and make a post. That's it, over and over and over again. You just make a post. Hey, who wants some free training? Oh, I just made this training on how you can make X amount of dollars with Instagram. No money to start. The whole thing is literally just getting them to your YouTube channel, or whatever it is you're promoting, like, or you're going to capture their email or whatever. I mainly do this with just YouTube, all right? Because YouTube, again, will just follow it with them for me. They're going to show them my previous videos. They're going to get curious and go and look at my older videos. They're going to, see what it is that I've been doing lately. Like, they're going to go through and basically just check all the stuff out. And even if they don't watch the full video and they click off of it, again, YouTube will follow up with them. Like, hey, D'Angelo just made a new video. Hey, D'Angelo just posted this. Or let's say they never go back to my YouTube channel. I'll make another Facebook post. And then again, hey, let me get some of that information. Then I send the information again. And again, and again, and again on new topics. I don't send information twice on stuff I've already sent before. Like if someone asks me how much is Team D'Angelo, I'm not answering that. Like I refuse to do business with people who refuse to do research because I know you'll fail. I'm not in the business of taking people's money if I know it's their 100% damn near guaranteed that you're going to fail. Like, if you can't do research, I'm not doing business with you. If you have to ask me how much Team D'Angelo is, that means you literally didn't even go to the damn website. That means you didn't look underneath any of the descriptions. That means you literally did zero research. And those are the worst people to do business with because they will fail and then they'll blame you for failing and then ask for a refund. And again, you're going to have this whole process where they go into every Facebook group and call you a scammer and all this stuff. And the crazy thing is they'll actually spend more time promoting you and calling you a scammer than they ever try to do in their own business and try to make money, which is mind-blowing. But hey, you guys get the point. But that is pretty much it. You guys see the whole process here. I'll try to explain it in depth as I can. Again, you're going to have your your post right here like this. So it's like I was like, the iPhone 12 just came in, over 2 million units already sold, and these are the same people that say they can't pay their rent, right? And you're like, damn, that really makes people think. And then the people who, let's say, for example, they aren't paying their rent and they see that post and they happen to have an iPhone 12, what are they gonna do? They're gonna delete me. You gotta clean your Facebook on a regular basis and constantly push out all the people who are not serious about making money. But that is pretty much it, guys. It's kind of a long-winded video here, but it really does work. I've been doing this for many years, guys. It's probably not something you're going to see results with overnight. It really just depends on who you add and how many payment proofs and screenshots and stuff like that you add. Because everybody has their threshold. You know, like it might take someone it might take someone seeing you make $100,000 before they're willing to invest in $100. Like it might take them, you know, seeing you make $1 million. It might take them seeing you buy a new car. It might take them, you know, a few months, a few days, a few hours. They might jump in immediately. It just everyone has their different threshold on when they're going to be ready to jump. Like everybody didn't jump on Bitsino as soon as I made my first video about it. But then I was like, okay, I made $300 in a day. Then I'm like, oh man, I'm over $1,000. Then I was like, oh shit, man, I gotta jump in this because I'm getting left behind, right? What's that FOMO? You know, fear of missing out. But anyway, again, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell.